You know, when you show up for work and you immediately think, I really don't want to be here. And then after being there for just a few minutes, you start looking at your watch just to see how much more time you have left before it's time to clock out. I know you guys, but guess what? Your workout that you choose to show up for does not need to feel that way, nor should it. And the good news is, you guys, the workout that we're gonna do today is gonna make you feel like you just wanna be here and stay here. So welcome to today's Zumba Latin cardio workout where we are going to let loose. We're going to feel good. We're going to burn some calories, you guys. And guess what? We are going to be happy that we showed up. So you guys, without further ado, okay, carve yourself out a little space so that you can move the way that you groove, and let's dance. Un, dos, y un, dos, tres, y...